Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, heated steering wheel, compass, power brakes, clock, trip odometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.